Okay, so I've got our basic layout. Now, each level, effectively, there's going to be 4 slides. Oops. So I'm just going to copy that, paste 4. So I've got like a start. I'm just going to put in a... So start. I'm just going to add little text boxes in just so you can get an idea of what each one is. So I've got a maze, and then 1 slide for loss, and another slide that we'll go to if we actually win. Now, obviously, when you're in a PowerPoint, normally what happens when you click? If you click the button, what happens? Goes to the next slide. Not really useful for a maze game. So the first thing we want to do is turn that off. So slideshow, set up show, browser to kiosk, and that basically means when I run it, when I click away, it won't go on to the next page. I only need to turn what I've put on here into buttons. So I'm going to, got my little start, I'm just going to use mostly shapes on this. So I've got the start button, right click, hyperlink, place in this document, and I'm just going to choose what slide I want it to go to. In this case, the maze slide, so that now, when I click on that, at least takes me to the maze. The one problem we do have with this is that wherever this button is, that's where the mouse cursor is going to be, and that's where we need to make sure your maze starts from. I find the easiest way is just to copy that shape and paste it on in the same place below, and then just remove the hyperlink from it. And I might just get rid of the writing. Now, what I'm just going to do is draw a bunch of different shapes. I'm just going to use a couple of rectangles. Obviously, you'll spend a bit more time making it a lot more creative. And a final end. So I go here, so if I hit there, I'm going to hyperlink it to my winning slide. If I run it, hit the start button, move along. At the moment, if I fall off, nothing happens. When I finally get to the here, I can click and go to the win. But it's a bit useless at this point because it's not really doing anything. So once you've designed your maze, the last step, draw one big shape over the whole page, right click, go send to back, so it's behind everything. Probably want to change some colors, you can put pictures, whatever. And on this one, is it hyperlink? No, I need something different for this one. I've got to just try and remember where they hide it. I want an event. So obviously actions, that's what I'm looking for. Insert action. Keep moving it, every different version. Hyperlink basically means you've got to click on an action. You can have it to happen when something else happens. By default, mouse click. I just want it when the mouse goes over something. I'm going to, on mouse over, hyperlink to slide ... and then I can choose my losing slide. So now, I'm going to run the game. If I fall off the edge, I've gone to my lost page. Obviously, you could put on your pictures. Now, someone asked about this scary face. That would involve another slide. I'm just going to put text, you can put pictures in. Now, what we have in our transitions, we've got a timer. We might want to say advanced slide after, let's say 5 seconds. And I'm just going to put that slide right after the maze. So 1001, 1002, 3, 4, 5, and it can pop up that sort of message. That is basically all of it. So obviously what you could have then, your win slide, then you could start a second maze. But I would just focus on today just getting one maze sort of working, and then we'll have a go at testing each other's out. Any questions? Okay, so this sort of maze, what we've got is our little pattern that we sort of move along, a path that we can get through. And if you fall off it, there, obviously it's not so much a maze, it's more like a path that you've got to follow, like a sort of game challenge. Just imagine like a little thin path. If you fall off it, you've sort of lost the game. Okay? Obviously you could design it as a maze. Yep. Okay, let me just